How to build a RAG-based AI agent into your n8n using Pinecone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can build this AI agent, or you can say a RAG-based AI agent in n8n using this Pinecone. So once it is connected, you will be able to do a lot of cool things like uploading your own document, storing them in Pinecone, and then asking your AI agent like question that pulls the most relevant answer straight from your data. Basically, it is ChatGPT, but powered by your own knowledge base. As you can see, I have already created this short. So when I create a new one, let me just execute this workflow to demonstrate how things are working over here. Give me Google's financial statement. When I hit enter, it will start processing it and it will check in this HTTP node where I have configured for Pinecone, uh, where I have entered the Google related data, some PDF. So it will check that and then it will give me the most relevant answer. As you can see, it gives me this much. So yeah, this is how you can do. So let's talk about how you can configure and how you can build this. So first thing first, let me just delete all of this to make sure you start with this tutorial. Now, first thing first, open your workflow, give a name, RAG AI agent, and then click on the add first step. And then from here, you have to choose the chat trigger. So we will add chat. You can go with the Telegram or WhatsApp as well, but I will prefer with the chat message. Now then you have to enter the AI agent, and then you have to connect with your brain. Then, for example, Google Gemini. I'm using Google Gemini. Then you have to go into tools and search for HTTP request tool. So we will configure for Pinecone. So let's get back and search for Pinecone. And if you don't know what is Pinecone, it is basically you can build a knowledge AI using this. So just simply create an account. I have already created an account, so I don't need to create again. So as you can see here, so this is a dashboard of Pinecone, and from the left side you will find the navigation bar. Just simply go and search for assistant, click on the assistant, and from here what you need to do is to create a new assistant. Now from here you have to give a name. For example, I will give a name test 3 or 2, and then you have to select the region, and then after that you have to click on this create assistant. Now from here you can upload your document. Let me just upload these 2 to 3 document which I have downloaded from the Google. So you have to just drag and drop. Now just simply click on the import, and this is my financial statement analysis of Google. Just open this. Okay. So I'll put this as well. Just simply click on the import. Now we have imported 2 documents. One is related to SpaceX, and the second one is related to the analysis of Google. Now what you need to do, as you can see, you can chat it from here as well. So let me just give me Google's financial statement. You enter, it will give you the data of what you asked. Now we want to connect with this n8n. As you can see, it gives me this. So as you can see, so you can chat it from here as well, but we will connect with an n8n. Now from the top, you will see there is an option of connect, and just simply click on it. And from there you have to select from Python to shell, and we scroll down a little bit, you will find this chat with your assistant. Just copy this curl URL from this much and then copy it. And what you need to do is get back your n8n and open your HTTP request node. And from here, you will see there is option of import URL, CURL, and then paste it and just import it. So as you can see, everything is configured related to Pinecone. Now, what you need to do is you have to find the API key. If you go into left side of your Pinecone, you will find there is option of API keys. Just simply click on it and just click on this create new one, and then give a API name, for example, test2, and click on the create. Just copy and store and save it from, basically save this API somewhere because it will not appear again. As you can see, I have generated 3 API keys, that's why. Now get back to your n8n and paste this API key into your header parameter. Now what you need to change over here, open the JSON content and you have to replace with this command, which is no. Before that, what you have to do is go to expression, and from expression you have to enter the dynamic value because uh, it gives the AI agent to do things with it. Now let me just add expression, and then after that you have to add these two uh, brackets, and then after that you have to add a sign, $sign, and if you scroll down you will find there is option of from AI. To select it and you have to add 2 commas and then give a name, for example, search query. So that's it. And then from here I will choose the model. Let me just choose the model because I'm using Gemini chat model. So I'll be using this Gemini 2.5 Flash. Just simply copy this and get back to your HTTP node. Scroll down a little bit to the JSON content, change the model from here. Okay, that's it. So here we go. Now, after that, what you need to change into your AI agent is you have to add a system prompt. For example, you you are a good, you are a expert researcher. Or you can add something like this. You are an AI agent who analyze the documents which is given in the Pinecone. So Pinecone. So you have to add a system prompt. You can write it from the ChatGPT as well, but I will not go into the details. Just simply click on the save button and let's check it out if it is working or not. When you click on the open, again I will type give me Google's financial data. When you hit enter, it will start working and then it will go to Pine node, check if there is any document or not, and then if there is a document, it will fetch the data. If document doesn't exist, then it will give me that I apologize. As you can see, we have a document, that's why it gives us data. But when I say give me the financial statement of Tesla, hit enter and wait for a few seconds. Now it will check if there is a document or not, and then okay, there we go. I'm sorry, but the prior search result contained financial statement analysis and data for Google, not Tesla. So this is how you can build a RAG AI agent using Pinecone and n8n. So this is one of the simplest way you can build. You have to just upload your document into your Pinecone and you're good to go. So that's it for today's tutorial. And if you like this video, just subscribe to the channel and comment it down below if it helped you. If doesn't, then if any error occurs, just comment it down below. I will fix that. Thanks for watching.